Hello everyone. Welcome to another stream. I'm gonna adjust the camera a bit. Hello. As the title mentions, this is gonna be a planning stream. So I have no clue what I'm doing. There's so many things going on right now. We have um, we have a bunch of AI hackathons happening from Google. There's so many. There's so many sprints going on. I just got out of the AI sprint from Google. Um, and then we also have a cloud hackathon coming in. We have a built-in AI hackathon coming in. So I'm super confused. I'm totally lost of which campaign is which one, what tags to use where, and yeah, this is I think this is gonna be a planning stream. So I can also chat with you folks as well. It has been a while, and alongside I'll also try to figure out what I'm going to do this quarter. I'm also going to be probably applying to a couple of conferences as well. So I was talking to a good friend recently, and he mentioned a couple of interesting sort of conferences happening as well. So maybe we'll apply there as well as soon as I can find the link, and then we'll take it from there. But as always, feel free to ask any questions in the chat. And this is going to be an impromptu stream, so you're probably not going to learn something big from this one. It's more casual than pre-planned stream, if you understand what I mean. Okay, where's this guy? Yeah, so React Miami, we got Dev World happening. Dev World, maybe we can also look into a couple of CFPs ourselves as well. So let's have a look. I'm gonna also enable the chat overlay as well. But feel free to ask any questions. One of the things that I'm really excited about, I think, is the build. What was it called? Build with AI hackathon. No, it was just there, right? Dev post. So we have this Gemini hackathon, right? And we have gotten this Google Cloud hackathon. So there are two hackathons going on right now. 2 months to deadline. This is the one, right? I'm gonna post this in the chat as well. And the prize pool is $65,000. Ooh, Isha time already. So the prize pool of this one is 65,000. And it's essentially, I really found this dev post platform quite nice because you can create your own profile, and then you can look into what hackathons are available, what are the prizes, and you can also team up with different people as well. So quite interesting. But I'm going to share the link in the chat. So the link for the Chrome built-in AI challenge is right here. We also have the Google Cloud Gemini challenge as well. So I'm going to post that as a second link here. So as you can see there, this one has a prize pool of 20,000. I think I participated, or I said in this one, right? So I can start a project, find some teammates, or import from my portfolio. So it's interesting. You can also see which countries are eligible for applying here as well. So unfortunately, Brazil, Crimea, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Quebec, Russia, and Syria are not included. It says standard exceptions. Interesting. In this one, the Cloud Gemini one, I was hoping to see Pakistan, but I could not, unfortunately. So yeah, only specific countries are included. I think it's more, yeah, because it's obviously it's Europe and Middle East and Africa. So specific countries, that's why. But if you are in one of these countries, you can definitely try it out, and it's interesting. So 39 days to deadline. So yeah, I don't know. I was thinking maybe we could discuss something to build, or you could give me some ideas, because it's almost 8 p.m. It's actually 8:18 p.m. here, so my brain is gonna shut down pretty soon. But yeah, are there any cool ideas that you folks are working on? Are you working on anything that is related to AI or Google Gemini or anything as such? Are there any interesting projects that you are working on recently? Okay, not too bad still. But what I plan to do at least is to get some tasks entered so I know what I'm doing. Um, and to create some sort of, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should create a CF piece. I don't want to create too many then. So I have content, togs. I do have a CF piece, but I think I should probably do applied to, I don't know. Maybe I should categorize it a bit differently if I share with my screen with you. So maybe I could, instead of these, maybe label them differently. Group by status. I want to see what are the statuses. Zishan says, welcome back to with the new error. What is the new error? So we got statuses, visible groups, these. Learn about grouping. I don't want to learn about it, but I do want to see which statuses do I have. That's not the one. Hide groups. I could create groups as well, but I do want to see which edit view properties to shown. So we got statuses here. Okay, here is maybe where we could apply. Here to apply. Here we can also maybe create one more. And show as okay, makes sense. And here we can say, I don't know, submitted. We can maybe add one more here. I don't know how. Talk done. I don't know. So submitted and talk done. We could, I don't know, can we move it outside? No. To do in progress complete. So we have essentially 3 categories only: type, status. Track this item's progress using status tag to do in progress and complete. Yeah. But I think we should be able to add more labels or something. Like a tag. Or a multi-slag. Yeah, we could also do that. But that's fine. I think talk done and submitted are good. So if we go back and reload, would that change or no? So this one has a status to apply. This doesn't still change the one, but can we also change what shows on each one? Group by status, automations, and non-customized target. No. Sign show inboard status. There we go. I think that's what I was looking for. Okay, so this is good. We should have this, but we should have submitted Frontend Nation. I think I submitted to this one. NG Poland also submitted. We can also change this to NG Poland and JS Poland. NG Poland. And then we also have React Miami Dev World Conference as well. This is in Amsterdam. Okay. What is the last deadline? Oh, 2 days left only. So we should probably do it now. I'm gonna pick one of my existing ones. First, let's have a look what they are asking. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, interesting. So we do have 90 to 110 minutes. Mini technical masterclass. Interesting. So let's go with that one. First, we can go with the Angular Workshop 0 to Hero. This is gonna be workshop. It's front end. Intermediate. No. Mm-hmm. So this one at least comes in handy. And here we can also have one more label actually. Properties, 3 shown, status. Here we can say something like template. So we don't really say to apply. Is this my old ones or no? Aha, okay. But those are the abstracts. So maybe we could say something like status, template, or not template, but rather misc. So this one is gonna be misc, 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 misc. Okay, so we did copy this, I think. Let's put that here. Additional notes not really required. LinkedIn. SNIS, software architect. Let's go with Scania Group, Sweden. Nope, Stockholm. Stockholm. And then we got Sweden. And then, give me 1 second. This is really bothering me. I should probably just remove my addresses completely. Okay. I think now we're good. So phone number, do you require travel? Yes, please. Do you require hotel stay? Of course, thank you in advance. No one. Yeah, I don't think so. So let's apply this. Link to previous presentations. Oh, it must be a URL. YouTube link, slides, social media post. What do we do here? Should we, I don't know, maybe pick one of those? Let's pick this one. Or we could, now that I think about it, let's give them the link to the slides. I think maybe this one. Do, 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 do. Hi, can you review my portfolio site? Sure, send it. Submit another session. Let's submit another one. We're gonna go with this one. 30-minute track. I think it's AI for developers, to be honest. Intermediate. It should rather be beginners, but okay. Nope. Did I say yes in the previous one? I hope not. Okay, thank God the rest of it is saved. Submit the session. Thank you. Thank you. Submit another session. How many can I submit? Is there a limit? Can I submit 5? Maybe React one as well, to be honest. I think my kid is gonna ask for more milk. We'll see. Yeah, my kid was asking for more milk, but he has had his quota of it and just wants to go outside and not sleep. Track. Which one was that? That's supposed to be full stack. I think front end and full stack both. Do we have JavaScript here? No. Nope. I think intermediate or maybe advanced. This one. No. Link to the previous one. There we go. Unknown 7, you are supposed to send your link. Hopefully. I'm gonna submit another session. This one. 30-minute session, front end. I would say advanced. No. In this one, I have to actually send something different. Maybe optimizing Angular apps like a pro, something like this. And then let's submit that as well. You're unable to paste the URL in the chat. Let me see if there's a moderation setting. Filtering, no. Parents burn stream, no, not really. So nothing here actually. Might be in the content. Live. This guy. Close. No, I don't see a way of blocking URL here or something that I've configured. Not really. Nope. Or here maybe moderation activity, community moderation, timestamp reactions pop out. Standard moderators, maybe I can remove those. Default comments on your channel, yes. Messages in your channel guidelines. I think there should be something that could come here. So the blocked links is not enabled. URLs in the live chat are already blocked. You can select this option, comments with hashtag URLs. I don't really see why. So I'm not really sure. Send me on Discord maybe. Send me on Discord. So that's what I've sent so far. I'm also gonna send, and this one was in February, right? Will I have the time to prepare for this one? I don't think. I'm gonna be, maybe I'm gonna be in Pakistan, maybe. But maybe let's go with this one at least. 30 minutes, front end, intermediate, no. This, oh, not this one. In this one, we give this one. And then we send this one. Okay, good. So we can say Dev World Conference and at least can check that one out. So we can say Dev World 2025. Submitted. And we can also add the link here. Cool. React Miami. When is that happening? I think the CFP. Wait, the CFP is still open. Oh, the applications are going to be closed on December 13. Okay, January 8. When is the event though? Did I miss the date or what? So April 17 to 18. Aha. Can I check where this is? I'm an absolute noob when it comes to maps. Let's see. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to travel. Maybe I will. 25 plus talks. Okay, after party conference finale, lunch and breakfast, snack, and all day coffee. Interesting. Who are the sponsors? Not yet written. What was the deadline? It was December, right? There is still time. I think I'll just hold for now. I will put it in here. React Miami. And let's add this for future references. But that's good. You sent the link on Discord. Okay, let me try to find it. Discord. Juha. Is that your portfolio? Interesting. What am I again taking emails for? Is it for submissions? Or something else? Okay. Transforming visions into reality. About work, let's talk. If I go with this one, about work, let's talk. Work, about, let's talk. Okay. You might want to add some padding on the bottom. There's not much space here. So right after this green, maybe add some paddings to it. Try to also make a try to also make the color, I think, less vibrant, especially for, I'm not sure if there's a dark mode enabled, so maybe work on the dark mode as well. But the green is bright, quite bright as well, so you might want to tune down the color a bit. For example, there are multiple shades of green being used. This one is different, this one is different, this one is probably different, or maybe I'm just stupid. So this is 091 019159. Which one is this one? Yeah, it's the same, but this one looks a bit darker for some weird reason. Anyways, which one is this one? This one is of course different. So maybe use one single color and maybe use the darker one, this one. Also, when you're in mobile view, if this is centered, then you might want to also center this as well. So to have some sort of consistency as well. Is the margin same on this one versus the other one? Yeah, it is. Good, good, good. This looks good. Contact now. My work. French free, that helps, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Mm-hmm. I think overall it looks really nice. What you can do is probably reduce this whole section. Can you see how much space is being just, unutilized here? If you had like a grid of technologies, for example, I don't know, web technologies. If I went here and tried to see an image, something like this, like, so here you have like all these images in together. So maybe just use a lot of these icons together, something like this. So you have just one image that shows all of those things, HTML, CSS, blah, blah, blah. I think that would save a lot of space as well. And use the latest Angular logo. This logo is quite old. This is not the current logo. So if you go to angular.dev, this is the latest Angular logo. So use that one. Try to also mention Tailwind CSS as incomplete. Apart from that, I think this looks good. From a UX perspective in mobile, it seems like I should click here and search something, or maybe I don't know why I get this feeling. I don't know, maybe have a full header, but it's okay. It's nice. I think overall, I think it's really good. It's simple. It conveys whatever you're trying to convey. I think it's good. And also maybe when you look into the whole site as a whole, you are using plain colors everywhere, but this last thing here has a gradient. So that also, I don't know, that is, I think that's somewhat inconsistent, but feel free to keep it, feel free to throw it away, it's up to you. But and also when you have things that people can click on, for example this one, you are showing some visual feedback, this is good. But when you have links like this, you should also give them some visual feedback. So maybe on hover, just change the color for this to white or something, or gray, whatever. So show that this is something that is clickable. The cursor shows it, but maybe just have some sort of more visual feedback as well. But apart from this, I think this looks nice. It's quite presentable as well. I think it would probably be interesting to have your picture here, if because this is your portfolio, you're not representing a business, you're representing yourself. So if you can add your picture to it, I think that gives a more personal touch, so to say. And what, or maybe even for example, if I had to work with this site, I would remove completely this whole thing. I would remove the about me and put this on top. That's what I would do. And on the mobile version, this has no alignment. So sorry, on the desktop version, this doesn't align with anything at all. So maybe you might want to move it up like this here, right? Which is like the center of this, and maybe reduce the size if you want to put something like this, of course. Uh, and maybe also try to see grammatical mistakes as well, because I think this should be with over 2 years of experience specializing in creating user-friendly, visual appealing websites. So maybe double check the copy as well. But in short, I think this looks, overall it looks nice. If someone is coming to your site and you want them to know you, you might want to have, for example, your image, something like this, and then what you do, so it tells like right away. So my homepage, for example, has nothing. It just says take a course, read the blog, and then directly about me. That's pretty much it. And then someone can go to the courses or read the blog from here, or having the about page showing myself, because it's personal, right? So I hope that helps. Okay, good. So apart from this, then I have two things that are going on. Then we do have the hackathons and Google Gemini stuff going on. I'm not sure, maybe we can add that to the GDE stuff, but there's so much already that I need to do. I don't know. Maybe add them into tasks. Give me 1 second, so I don't leak things that I don't need to do. Okay, maybe I can, yeah, maybe I can add here. So we can do something like a page. Here we can say GDE stuff. So here we can add a board. Or I'm thinking, should I add, yeah. So we do have, this one is the Google Chrome Google Chrome built in AI. We have the challenge going on, right? We can add this guy here. We have Google Cloud Nordics Killers Hackathon. That's happening, by the way, tomorrow. Unknown7 says, thanks so much, Ahsan. I really appreciate your input. No problem at all. Happy to help. That's happening tomorrow. So that's going to be in progress as well. And I do want to show. Okay. I don't want to maybe show. And then we also should have the Google Cloud Gemini. Wait, what happened to you? Google Cloud Gemini Hackathon. So that's happening. That's another thing that's happening as well. So those are the three things. But then I also have something else as well. Give me 1 second if I can find it. That should be in the emails. Oh yeah, then we have we also have the YouTube community creators. Community 11 weeks. We have that one in progress. Google Cloud Gemini Hackathon, already wrote that. Yeah, here it is. Then what was the name of this? What was the name of this thingy here? Yeah. We also have the cloud developer campaign. I need to put my ideas there. I need to put my ideas there. So we will see then. Where's this? Yeah. So there are a couple of things I think that would need the work. So we'll see. I don't know. Give me 1 second. Okay, my kid wants some more milk, so I'm gonna go while you can enjoy the lighting. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Okay, I was also looking into the one of the things that I could actually do with the built-in AI. We full rules. Mm-hmm. Submission period October 1 to December 3. Okay. Best real world application Chrome extension. Interesting. What do we think? What can we build? I was thinking of one thing that I can show you maybe. Uh, but I'm not really sure about it. I was looking into fine tuning, prompt API playground, some stuff like this. Let's see if I can open it. So I'm running this Chrome dev Chrome dev browser, and this can run essentially. This can run the Gemini API prompt. So I was looking into this. I was hoping to look into some of the possibilities that I could do with the prompt API with Gemini Nano in Chrome. So I was looking into if we can do RAG with Gemini Nano, but I'm not really sure if that's possible. I don't think that's possible. Develop a web application on or Chrome extension that uses one or more Chrome built-in APIs to interact with integrated models such as Gemini Nano. Let's actually listen to this video as well, okay? I think that will give us more perspective as well. What do we think? I think one of the things that we could definitely do is solo working, solo working, solo working, solo. I want to see if any of the people are looking for teams. So a lot of people are just working solo. Yeah, I think I would have to also go with working solo, to be honest. We'll see. When we start the project, what happens then? Car. There's a car there as well. Crosswalks. Crosswalk. That's it. Ooh. I'm thinking if we should go with I don't know. For example, what if you had? Now I'm thinking, what if you had Grammarly but for free? That could be interesting. What does Grammarly provide? If I go to Grammarly, so for example, what if you could do the same thing with Gemini Nano? Hmm. That could be interesting. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Interesting. I love the use of responsible AI these days, for sure. This could be one thing that could be built. Um, what kind of what kind of languages does it support? Plagiarism, AI detector, paraphrasing tool, citation generator, and then it also has AI writing. So summarization, full paragraph writing, brainstorming. Hmm, interesting. I think summarization can be one of the things that could be done. I don't want to start coding something. I do want to think about some stuff before actually going into anything at all. So if I had to, hmm, I'm thinking, what if I could build something that helps me submit call for papers? That would be interesting. Based on some data that I can, but then I'm thinking, where would I have to fine tune it? Would I have to? I don't know. I think I'm on to something. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll at least note this down. Maybe for tomorrow. Not killers. CFP submitter using crack. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, awesome. I think I'm gonna sign off now, and I have this event to attend tomorrow, so I'm gonna see how this goes. But the goal for today's stream, I think, is a bit successful. I am aligned now on what I need to do. And before it was like I have no clue what's going on. What are the things that are happening? There's so many campaigns, so many events are happening right now. But I think I have a good idea now. So thank you everyone who joined, and I'm gonna see you next time. Have a good one.